Guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class, we are going to take cube root for this improper function. First, we are going to make this improper function into proper function. So for that, this can be written as, I'm going to write this cube root as it is. So first, I need to multiple these two, and with that 1 will be added. So 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by this denominator plus this 1 by 5 is a normal fraction. So I'm going to write as it is. Similarly divided by, if I need to multiple these two, and then I'm going to add with 1. Okay. Therefore 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 5. Okay, here plus here divide. So that is the change in its operation. So G is equal to same cube root of 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. First we need to multiple. After that only we need to add based on the Bodmer's rule. Please remember that. Okay, Bodmer's rule. Okay, so 4 plus 1 5. So 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 divided by, here also 4 plus 1 5. So 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. So if you see here, in order to add these two, I need to take LCM for this 2 and 5. So there is no common digit between 2 and 5. There is common digit 1. Okay. So I need to multiple these two. Here the LCM for 2 and 5 is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Okay. So I need to write that. So it is equal to, I'm going to write this as, I'm going to take cube root. So in order to get 10 in base, I need to multiply by 5. I get 10, right? So I need to multiple 5 in numerator and denominator. Therefore 5 into 5, 25 divided by 10. So in order to get 10 in the denominator, I need to multiple 2, right? So as well as I need to multiple with 2 in the numerator. So plus what? 2 by 10. Is it? Divided by, here 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. There is no change in that. Okay. There is no change in that. So what we have to do, I'm going to write this cube root as it is. So here denominator is same. So the numerator get added. Therefore 27 by 10. So see here, now this can be written as, so let's how to handle this means. So what they have given, 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 5, which means what? 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 5. So in order to make this in new multiplication, I need to write this as 5 by 2 into this get reciprocal, that is 5 by 1. So which is equal to 25 by 2. So I am going to write this value instead of this. Okay. Therefore 25 by 2. So now this will be equal to, I am going to write this cube root as it is, and 27 by 10. In order to make this denominator term in multiplication, I need to take reciprocal similar to what we did here. So into reciprocal means the 2 will come in numerator, 25 come in denominator. So 2 by 25. Okay. So if I cancel 1 2 is 2, 5 tens are what? 5 into 2 10. Okay. So it is equal to the cube root of 27 into 1 divided by 25 into 5. So which is equal to the cube root of 27 into 1 27, then 25 into 5 125. So which is equal to cube root of 27 and cube root of 125. So in order to take cube root, what we have to do? here I am going to use the L division method. It's not L division method, it's a LCM method. So I am going to take the 27. 3 9s are 27. So 3 3s are 9. So I'll get 3t for 27. I'll get 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3q. Similarly, for 125, last is end with 5. So let's try with 5. 5, 25, 25. Then 5, 5. 5 into 5, 25. So 1. So here 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 5 cube. Just apply these two values in the place of these two. So therefore it is equal to cube root of 3 cube divided by cube root of 5 cube. So the cube get cancelled. The cube root get cancelled. So the final answer is 3 by 5. So the answer for this question is, where it is? Question is 3 by 5. This complicated sum gives the simple answer as 3 by 5. So please practice twice or thrice, then you will get a perfect solution during your examinations. Have a nice day. Bye bye.